Hey, welcome back to the Cardiac AI Analysis channel this evening. Tonight we're going to be taking a look at the stock fund. This is the Vanguard LifeStrategy Conservative Growth Fund. We're going to do some basic analysis on it, including forecast and returns. So let's begin with some basic plots, okay? That's how to create a candlestick plot. Is it Bollinger or Bellinger? So we're going to create four plots: a candlestick plot, a Bollinger Band plot, an RSI plot, and an MACD plot, okay? Let's do this. Let's have it created over here on a new page. Yes, I'll create a comprehensive technical analysis dashboard. Very nice. Okay, good. What is this? This is our Bollinger Bands. Okay, it's, we want separate plots, don't we? MACD, there we go. Very nice. Okay. There. So this doesn't look too bad, does it? So this says, okay, much better. So we have about 15 minutes to get some stuff done here. Okay, good. Good. What about down here now? Excellent. Very nice. Much better. So here we're actually showing all three, aren't we? Very nice. Now the it's kind of okay. I forgot. Candlesticks don't make any sense because a stock fund only reports one price. That's the price at the end of the day. There are no highs and lows. Okay, good. All right, good. Okay. Let's replace. There. Yeah. Again, as you can see over here, there is no high and low price. And stock funds like this, mutual funds, there is no high and low price, and there's no volume. Okay, that's much better. Do, 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 do. This looks very nice, actually. Let's see if we play. So this here is sort of like our all-in-one plot. Okay, good. So let's do this, just for the fun of it. This is our all-in-one plot. Okay. So this has got our Bollinger Bands plot, our RSI plot. So this is our summary plot for the day. Okay, good. All right. Customize color charts, add trading signals. So this looks pretty good. So what this is actually telling us here is we had a very strong bullish momentum back here in May of 2025, following a big hit back in April. Then we had some downward momentum, okay? And we finished up here recently with some upper momentum, okay? Uh, the good news here is the neutral position. Really, it's kind of moving horizontal, and you would kind of want that in a stock fund. You don't want a lot of crazy volatility in a stock fund, right? And again, you can see here the closing price is above the 20-day moving average, and it's within pretty much the standard, the 2+2 standard deviations. Okay. What else can we do here? Let's analyze trading signals, shall we? Overall consensus hold neutral. Detailed signal analysis. Current price 22.21 neutral. RSI neutral. MACD bearish. Yeah, it's true. Remember back up here, someplace. See, back over here, the most recent signals were bearish a little bit. Okay, so that makes sense. Right? Bollinger Band position 49%. Signal line support bearish. Overall signal hold. So to say an overall we should hold it. Let's develop a trading strategy. I don't know what that means, but we'll find out here, okay? This is pretty serious stuff right there. This is pretty serious. How am I at this here now? We've got a few more moments to go. Okay, let's move on. Uh, and let's look at returns here real quick and see what we can do. Yep, let's calculate weekly, monthly, annual returns over time. That's correct. So what do you think about Quadratic AI? If you've done some with Quadratic AI, drop me a comment and drop a note in the comment section. Let me know what you're doing with this product, okay? A730. Let me try to fix this. 11 minutes. We're running out of time. There's our returns. Interesting. Okay. Daily returns, average return, 0.42%. Volatility, best return 2.8%, worst negative 2.6%. Weekly, visualize returns chart. Oh, we're running out of time. Oh no, we're out of time.